In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI in the system to help you prioritize help desk tickets. So what I'm going to do is come again to features here in the AI section, and I'm going to come to help desk priority, and I'm going to turn that on. All right, I'm going to just save those changes, and now I'm going to submit a help desk ticket to the system. So I'm just going to do it on the back end, but your users would obviously be submitting the ticket to you through your system. So I'm just going to come here to the help desk, which is over there, and I'm going to add a ticket, and I'm going to, let's use this ticket, and this is me submitting a help desk ticket on behalf of a user. So this isn't a very common thing that we're going to do, but it is something that we can do. And we can say, I have a problem with my product. You can say, hello, my product arrived yesterday, but it was damaged in delivery. Please, could you help me out? All right, then we can go ahead and hit save. And there is our help desk ticket, and you'll see that it's active and the priority is normal. So now I'm going to go ahead and add another ticket, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new contact. Let's say it's Bob Burger, Bob at demo.com, and hit save. All right, and now we're going to say something drastic. My cat is dying. Help me. Okay. My cat is having an allergic reaction to the cat food I bought, and it is dying. Please help me. This is very urgent. And we're going to hit save. And you'll see over here in priority, my AI has marked this as urgent. And if I navigate back here, that ticket is marked as urgent. So the AI, again, is using the language in these tickets to assign a priority to the ticket. A cat dying obviously takes priority over someone having a damaged product arrive, depending on the language in the message. So that is how you can use the AI in the system to help you prioritize help desk tickets. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use it to moderate product reviews as well. I'll see you there.